Hey besties, good morning, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thanks so much for subscribing. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell so that every time I post you'll be one of the first to know. And if you're one of my regular subscribers, thanks so much for sticking through it with me. Yeah, as inconsistent as maybe. But anyway, I'm just drinking some lemon juice and water, warm, because as you guys know, I am supposed to be on fasting. So it's just 8:47 a.m. so I'm not supposed to be eating until about 11-12 thereabout. So for now we'll just be having like tea and water and whatever. So I did a detox yesterday because I'm a binge drop off a farm. This is the weight loss update. Let's get into it. The girl put on 5 pounds. Worthless. I'm joking. I put on 5 pounds. I haven't lost any weight since we last spoke. And I'm not proud of it or anything, but at the end of the day, I'm not gonna beat down myself because life happen and food nice. So it's a Wednesday, and since Sunday I have started to tweak how I eat. What I realized is that, as I was saying before, I think I mentioned this in another video, that taking myself off foods, it actually makes me crave more. I don't know if that makes sense. So what I've been doing is just portion control and junk food. I do eat fast food, but it does not gonna be as often as before and not as much as before. So you guys will see what I eat today in particular. So to start the day is the tea. So what? To start the day is the tea, and as the day goes by you guys will see. So today is like, I don't know, day in the life, daily vlog, whatever. I haven't been picking up the camera mainly because I haven't been going anywhere. Like my day morning, night, 7 days a week. Like I go nowhere, so I haven't been picking up the camera, and I'm so sorry about that. So this morning I just said, why not just like a daily vlog or whatever. If you guys have any content ideas, please comment them down below. But anyway, I'm about to start working. I woke up early this morning and sent off a few reports for work, but that's not, I actually did that way in advance because I know how urgent those were. And then after that, yeah. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and send off some emails to some clients, and we'll see how the day goes from there. So I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Right now, you know that feathers are in, and I love feathers.
it's just giving. So guys, it's later on in the day and catching up on one of my favorite YouTubers, Chelsea Jenny, and just doing some work. The tea dough done it on juice now. So I'm gonna drink my juice. I'm about to go on Amazon and look for one of those cute gallon water bottles. I need one of those. So I'm gonna do that as well. I'm just checking in, you know, letting you guys know that nothing not go on, hence why I'm not here. But yeah. Alright guys, so my shipping company just came and I got this package. Actually on Amazon there was an option to select for it to come in Amazon packaging, but I never think they did that serious, so I just used the packaging that it came in. So it's this glass food storage jar with bamboo lid, 5-pack. I think I did tell you guys that I'm going to be renovating my apartment, so I've started to buy the stuff for it. But I'm not gonna start the renovation until the painting is finished, which will be done in a few weeks. So I need to paint the house first and then we can go into the decor. But I also told you guys that I'm in a coupon group and several coupon groups and whatever. So when the things then pop up, I just get them same time, because I don't know when the Amazon are gonna have this same deal again. So for the kitchen, I'm going with black, grays, and white. And then for accents, I'm thinking of doing bamboo accents. So that's why the idea came to mind to, you know, get the storage container. I have some storage containers in the kitchen right now. I'm gonna be putting those in the cupboard, and I want some to put on the countertops. So I'm gonna be using these bamboo ones. I'm gonna be for the utensil holder. I'm gonna be doing bamboo as well, and I don't know, I just want bamboo accents on the kitchen counter and in the kitchen, basically. Long and short of the story. Alright, so let's get into the unboxing. So this is at the top of it, which is good. This is the long one. Isn't this so cute? So this is the top I was talking about, the bamboo wooden look accent. So there's that size, and then there's this size, same bamboo top as I was saying. Then there's more stuff in it. I'm opening and see under my armpit and then feeling, but I never bought it for that. Anyway, there's these. So there's two of this size.
Wow.
And then there's a small one. And then there's the 1 second to the long one. So I was thinking that I'm going to be only putting in like brown things. So like brown rice. But no, I ain't not about them something yet, but I just need that. So I'm gonna put in like spaghetti, but just brown stuff and maybe white stuff. You know, white rice, white. Don't. Alright, so like spaghetti, brown rice, white rice, and them little nutsy looking things like some peas and them like lentil and stuff. I actually I go with a color scheme for I got in them here. I remember said the things that are in the cupboard they will not be showing, but the ones that are gonna be outside will be the Cheerios and stuff. I'm thinking of getting a cereal dispenser. I don't know yet because none of them not coming a bamboo. And as I say, I clear and bamboo more on my countertop. So I might not. So I might just use one of these for the cereal. So these are they. my little containers. And yeah, what I'm gonna do right now, it's actually about 12 o'clock. I'm going to make something to eat because your girl hungry. Me? Hungry. So I'm gonna make something to eat right now. I'm just gonna put these back in the box and put them up. Alright, so for breakfast I'm just gonna do one slice of this cinnamon raisin whole wheat loaf and one fried egg, and then I'm gonna make a parfait. Honestly, I can't bother. I'll show you. Honestly, I can't go bother for set up the camera and all of that for showing how I make the breakfast and whatever. So when I'm through, I couldn't know what body go on. Because the girl hungry, I just the truth, I'm very hungry. And it's gonna take a minute for me to do all of that. And you know, make sure say look decent for company internet and all of that. So I'm sorry. Let me just fix it up and then come back. Give me a second. Alright, so I'm done making breakfast. I told you guys that it wasn't anything serious. I just one hungry girl wanting to fill her stomach. So I did one fried egg or poached egg, because I'll never go in the pot. So I just put the egg in the pot, put salt and black pepper, and a slice of toast, the bread that I showed you guys, the cinnamon, some cinnamon raisin whole wheat business. The bread sweet, so nothing in the pan, it just the egg. Normally I would add, like yesterday I had avocado or pear, so I did put avocado on it, but today the pear done. I'm gonna get some more, but for now I'm gonna have no more. And I'm gonna also I also made a parfait. So what I do to make my variation of a parfait is I use vanilla yogurt, right? And I blend it with frozen fruits that I get from the supermarket. I use the rainforest ones because I find that those fruits are sweeter. So I use the pineapple and I use the peaches. So I blend that with the yogurt, and then I add some granola with some dried cranberries, and at the top now I add some apple. Just cut up some apple and add that. So that's the yogurt and fruit blended with the granola and then some apple at the top. I'm just gonna have that for breakfast. That's I got one me till dinner time, believe me. And then I drink water throughout the day, and that's it. Maybe about 2 o'clock or before me eat, I have warm water, so you guys can try that. I don't know if it's gonna work for me, as we say, but I hear it works, so I'm gonna do that. Huh? I just eat my breakfast, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Okay. Guys, don't ask me how, but I end up on Miss A. I order makeup things. If you don't know about Miss A sells AOA brand of stuff. So most of the stuff on it is for $1. My son is watching mathematics on the TV. Anyway, most of the stuff on it is for $1. It's not much more than $1 if it's even more. So let me show you guys where I'm at right now.
4. Yeah, 5.
So far I only add one thing to my cart, which is one beauty blender, and I'm gonna go ahead and add one of these ones. So for $1.55 I don't want it, so I'm gonna get this one. That's for $1. Yeah, girls, that's 2 things. What do you mean by it's sold out? What's that? One of them flat top one there. The pink one there for $1.02.
Great job.
Lift them up.
Let's try this finally. Let's say
Let's try this
five
one.
Pets. 5 pets. 2 of them are dogs, and 3 of them are cats. What fraction?
Alright, so that's 2 beauty blenders.
That's a good question. What fraction of the pets are
When I'm finished, I'm gonna come back and show you guys everything that's in the cart before I check out. And then you know when them come, I'm not gonna get a wall. So little more. Alright, so I'm open, I can't see. So these are what I'm about to get off of Miss A. So I have two beauty blenders, one with the flat top and one with the regular teardrop. And then I have a pack of makeup wipes, about two brushes, a highlighter brush and a setting powder brush, about a small Vaseline cocoa butter. I bought a blush brush, two brow pomades, but I don't know why two in there, one in there, one liquid liner, one setting powder. Anyway, this is what the powder blush, another powder blush, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lip glosses. I don't know why them come put insurance for me, so I'm going to take this off right now. Anyway, the total is $21 and the shipping is $4.95, and then the taxes are $1.82. So I'm about to pay for these. No bad though, and I will leave my makeup that. Raining outside, and if you don't know me or don't know what time it is, I wanna go to bed. I wanna go to bed. I'm gonna take a nap because this rain can't go to waste. So guys, they did laughing because if you never know what happened. So food cook, food share, food eat, me just have a say, me a vlog. So but don't eat everything. I want my about forget to come and show the place. I realized say me never show no. So I had curry chicken and boiled banana for dinner. So yeah, that's about it for today. I am gonna take a shower now. I'm gonna take a shower now and we're likely to go to bed or watch a movie or something. But nothing major will be happening for the rest of the night. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Oh, the noise in the background, disclaimer, the noise in the background is the TV almost gonna watch. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.